This is our score versus the Tropics. I got 57-54. We won. We were the Magic. There's my gamer tag. There's our points. Down. There's their gamer tags. And their points. We clearly won. Do this. So the other video.